Hi, welcome to Sew She Designs. My name is Shalisa, and in this video, we're either going to do an alteration or an upcycle. You decide. Please stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I like to come outside because it's so bright and it's just better to film outside. Anyway, I'm so pleased with this now shirt. It was a dress. I am going to show you pictures of it as we talk. This was a part of my Thriftmas. So if you don't know, I did Thriftmas, what I like to call our first annual Thriftmas, which is me and two other of my friends. And what we had to do was go to the thrift store, and the idea was to find a gift, but they found several gifts. I found a gift per person. They found like 3 or 4 gifts per person. So anywho, this dress was one of the things that one of the ladies gave me. But it was a dress. It had shirring around the waist that I wasn't really particular about. I just didn't like the way it was looking and fitting on me, and I didn't feel comfortable. So what I have done is I have removed the area of the dress that had shirring. I brought in the neckline because it was too low. I have also I had to bring in some of the back because it was too big. And what else? Trying to think what else I did. I did the neckline. I did the back. Oh, and I had to bring up the shoulders. So those are things that I had to do, and I completely removed the shirring. And that is bringing that up made it into a shirt. The shirt reminds me of a baby doll dress or something, and I'm satisfied with it. I feel like I can wear it. I have these jeans on, as well as I feel like I could do a pair of leggings, as well as I feel like I could do a classy pant if I wanted to dress it up. Okay, I showed you pictures in the intro, and I kind of wanted to show you where I was at. I've taken off one sleeve because the sleeves were too long, so I have cut the sleeve. This mannequin here is probably more closer to the size I'm probably headed to because this is one that I had measured myself maybe a year or so ago and padded it to fit me. So I'm between this one and the size 14. So I put it on this one because I actually don't need this shirt so tight. But since I had measured and the bust and this area was kind of still where I needed to be now after I've gained a little weight, I decided to use this one. And it was a mannequin that was on a handle. And I have misplaced the handle and moving it. She still works fine sitting on top of the table. Anywho, I've taken the arm off and I've cut it to where it needs to be. I've cut open the middle because I'm going to have to close that some. It was too low cut. And I think I'm going to take off, let's see. You can see all of this. All of this ruching, I'm not liking how it's fitting tight against my stomach. So I'm going to take the whole bottom of this off as well. In the back, I may have to cut the back up the back and sew it down the center again. Sew it down the center. It wasn't sewn that way. Because I'm gonna need to take off some in the back, because on one of the pictures I should have showed you where it was so much fabric in the back of what is going to be a shirt. So this was a dress. So right now, I just wanted to show you where I was at. I probably will be cutting this off because I want to sew that down. And I'm probably going to sew it before I cut it, because to make sure it fits. And then once I make sure it fits, I'll go back in and maybe serge it. But right now I'm just cutting the pieces of loose that I want to keep. And like I said, I'm going to take this ruching portion off, and I will have the 2 ruffles at the bottom. So I'm going to cut that off next and pin this to how it needs to be, so that I can go and sew that. And I'm probably going to sew by hand, just like a basting stitch, just so I can fit it and try it on. Then I can sew it and serge it once I get that done. So just kind of wanted to show you guys where I was at. Okay, and I'm very pleased at how it turned out. Like I told you before, I'm going through my closet. I actually have items in 2 closets, and my goal is to condense it to 1. So we're going to see if I can do that. And when I say condense it, I do mean condense, because everything in that closet I want to be summer, spring, fall, and winter. So we are going to see if I can achieve this. I have been doing really, really good. I do have a large bag for donations. So far, everything I've ran across that I've sewn, I can still fit. So I'm keeping, except for 1 shirt. And I had not put it in the donate bag, and I haven't put it in the upcycle bag because I can wear it, but it's a little short. So I'm deciding, am I going to lengthen it? I love being out here, but we live close to the airport, and sometimes you have the airplanes flying over and you can hear them. But anywho, back to the shirt. I am very satisfied. Like I did say, it does give me like that baby doll feel. So, but I'm not opposed to that. I really don't care to have something. I know sometimes you need to accentuate your waist, but for the most part, I really don't care anything tugging on my waist, just because I'm self-conscious about that. But I'm happy. I think I'm going to, while I was doing this, I did wash this because it came from the thrift store. And this material is more like a linen material, and I was catching it trying to iron it. So what I think I'm going to do is, with this is, just because I wasn't able to press it like I would have loved for it to be pressed, I think I am going to put this in the cleaners, but I am totally finished with it. I was even trying to be professional. Guys, let me show you. I got to pull it up. I serged my seams. All the seams I made, I serged them, because I wanted it to look professional. I got to get in the mode of making my garments look just as great as a garment I would go buy off the rack. So I did good. I wasn't lazy. Serged the seams, and it looks nice and tidy on the inside, and I'm so excited. So thank you so much for tuning into my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you feel like this was an alteration or an upcycle. I kind of feel like it was both. It was an upcycle, and it needed some alterations as well. And I will see you guys on the next video as I continue to go through my closet and find things to either upcycle or do alterations on, so that I can continue towards my goal of condensing all my clothes down to 1 closet. With that being said, I would like you guys to know that you are so special to me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a happy week. Bye-bye.